Last time round, what did we do? We multiplied one side and both sides, sorry, by one of the denominators, right? So let's say 3. And then after that, we multiplied by 4. But I know 3 times 4 is 12. So why don't I just multiply both sides by 12 instead to see what we get, right? And so if I multiply by 12, if you remember what I said to you about fractions and multiplying fractions, if we've got 3/4 here, 3/4 times 12 is like saying what's 3/4 of 12. But even if you don't want to think about it that way, you can think of it like this, right? 3 times 12, 36. 4 times 1 is 4. 36 over 4 equals to 9, right? And we know 3/4 of 12 is 9 as well. So on this side, this doesn't fully get cancelled out. It becomes 3/4 of 12, it becomes 9. 9 brackets x take away 1. And that's equal to, now I've got a third of 12, right? A third of 12 is going to be 4, 8, 12, is going to be 4. So I get 4 brackets 2x take away 1. So that's another way of doing it. I could just multiply by 3 on both sides and then multiply by 4 on both sides and cancel them out. I'll get exactly the same. Okay, so you can do it either way, whichever way you feel is more efficient for you. Okay, now that I've got that, I'm going to expand. 9x take away 9 is equal to 4 times 2x is 8x take away 4. And then it's a simple case of now subtracting 8x on both sides. I get x take away 9 equals to -4. Don't forget the negative here was take away 4, but that becomes 0. So 0 take away 4 is -4. And then I can add 9 on both sides to get x is equal to 5. That's my final answer. X equals to 5. Let me know if that made sense.